Hi guys, welcome back to another video. Today we are happy and joyful to introduce one of our students as software engineer who has been placed in Clinion Technologies. This is Mr. B. Varun who has been placed as .NET developer in Clinion Technologies. Congratulations Varun.
Thank you ma'am.
Can you tell me your experience overall?
Okay ma'am. Thank you ma'am. First of all, myself B. Varun. I am from Hyderabad. I have completed my .NET full stack course in the News and Infotech, and recently I got placed in the Clinion Technologies in the role of .NET developer, and I heartily thanks to the Surya sir to share his valuable knowledge and skills to achieve my milestone, and grateful thanks to Shankar sir and Newsen to helping me to achieve my goal. Thank you.
Okay Varun, thank you so much for your words. So can you tell me your interview experience? How did it go on?
Okay ma'am. Actually the interview process are 5 rounds, and it took 4 days of time to complete the interview process. In that process we are having 3 technical rounds and 1 HR round and 1 is aptitude round. On starting day the rounds are aptitude and technical round. After the technical round we are 3 members are selected to the next rounds, next technical rounds. After that, in the next technical round, I got placed in. I am the one who got the placed in that company. After the technical rounds, the HR was told that you are selected, and I told us thank you, sir.
Great. Thank you so much for your wonderful words, Varun. We wish all the best from News and Infotech. And once again, congratulations to having and chosen News and Infotech.
Thank you, ma'am.
Thank you so much.
Thank you.
For more successful stories, please do like, share, comment this video, and to let us know what Newsen is all about, please do let us know through your comments and subscription to this video. Thank you so much.